Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Messenger nickname bug on Facebook Messenger. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works on any iPhone device. So if you appreciate me making this video, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I'd love to help you out in the comment section down below. So what you actually want to do, the first thing you can do is go over to your settings and go down to General, click on iPhone storage, and from there you want to navigate to Messenger. If you can't find it, you can just type in search Messenger. You want to click on it and click on offload app. This will pretty much reset the app. If this doesn't help, you still have the issue, what you can do is go on the App Store and look up Messenger and make sure there's no update. If you have an update option right here, this might be the bug that's causing the issue. So make sure you update it. If it's open, you should be good. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you in the next one.